Hey Budget Baes, hey, welcome back to My Life on a Budget. Today, y'all, we are going to do our final paycheck in the month of November, paycheck number 4. My paycheck, so if you want to budget my paycheck, my last final paycheck for the month of November, then stay tuned. Clear, that means you want to go ahead and budget this paycheck with your girl. First things first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. Y'all already know how that goes. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to any and all of my returning Budget Baes. I'm so glad y'all decided to come back and chill with your girl. Y'all already know it is a love as far as you guys are concerned. And if you are new around here, then hey y'all, hey, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to hit that like button. Okay, the like button definitely does help your girl out. Follow around in them YouTube streets, get us some more Budget Baes, and I appreciate it down. Okay, not only that, but if Budget Baes, so as soon as you go on the video, do your big one, hit the like button for your girl. And then if you're new around here, not only that, hit the like if you enjoy, but also hit the subscribe. Hello, I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. So look y'all, I feel so accomplished because I done did this my second video of the night. It's my second video of the night. And my plan, because tomorrow I'm off, y'all, is to like drop these videos back to back. That way I have, like, I'm on track, y'all. I plan on, so y'all gonna be hearing some videos. Boom. Your girl trying to catch up, girl. I'm trying to catch up. And then with me being off that extra day, it really does help me out, y'all. Ooh, I'm so excited too. And I'm super duper relaxed too because I went and had a massage earlier. So yeah. But anyway, all right. So let's move some stuff out the way. I do have this particular little today's plan. I just kept in the dark thing because it's fall, y'all. So we're going to use that. That's the last month in November. We're going to be moving into winter. And, you know, I know it's not winter yet, but baby, it is Christmas. So we're going to be moving into that for the month of December. It's going to be very Christmas. Amen. So let's move this out the way. We're going to do that later. I do have the bright budget book just because I literally just did a video and it's right there. And so I'm going to use it again. And then this alphabet sticker book, same situation. We do have the rainbow dots out and we do have our paycheck budget that we're going to be using. Let's pull out our calendar. We do have the calendar as well as our bill pay checklist. Okay, there was a few bills that were due still in the month of November, and so we're going to go ahead and clear those bills out, but also we're going to be paying some bills in the month of December as well. Okay, because we don't get another check until December the 12th or 13th or something like that. So 2 full weeks. So we're going to need to pay the bills that are going to be coming up that are going to be due between November the 27th and December the 11th. Okay. So just so you guys know, that is what we're going to be paying. So the December bills, of course, you will not be seeing them here, but we are paying them. Okay, so yes, we are paying them. All right, so let's go ahead and let's talk about what bills we had left to pay for the month of November. We had our cell phone bill, our gas bill, and then the vehicle insurance, and then that was that for the month of November. And then, of course, we were paying some bills in the month of December as well. Let's pull out this last and final purple dot, and then we'll be done with this. Let's see, it looks like dark purple, yeah, right here. So again, like I said, we will be paying our cell phone bill. That's Dejanay and I, my baby and I. My cell phone bill, we're gonna pay that gas bill. We've actually already paid these bills, y'all. Today is the 30th. I already paid the bills. And then we're paying that vehicle insurance. Okay. And then we're paying the other part of that light bill. So let's we paid half of it. I did put a blue sticker on it from Papa's paycheck. We paid half of his check. And we're going to pay half of it with my check. So that's the other thing. Okay. Alright, now let's move this out the way. And let's talk about these bills, baby. Let's talk about these bills. When I tell you them bills was billing, baby, that 2 weeks kind of ate us alive real quick. I was like, oh, shoot. Wait a minute. Let me make sure I get all the bills, baby. I'd rather just use the money now. And then later on, I have a couple of little extra change later on in the month. But, baby, right now, it's tight. Okay? All right, so this check is going to be 11. This might be too thick. 1128 is. Ooh. I don't know why I always have an issue, y'all. I don't know. Cause I be trying to get me a cute color. Shit, and your girl just should have stuck to what I already was doing, girl. Yeah. Let's see, can we use this forest green? Hopefully that's dark. Shoot, I need something dark. Alright, so for my check this particular month, the last check in the month, we're only gonna do $1,900. I don't like that. We're only going to do $1,900 for my check. And Diavion is going to be giving us, or not giving us, girl, but paying $318.93 toward the bills we're going to be paying this week, okay? Now, off the rip, you know we're going to be doing part number 3 of my mortgage. My mortgage is going to be due on the 15th. They're going to automatically take my December mortgage out on the 15th. So $790.02 is how much money we're putting to the side for that. We did pay that other part, or use the money from my check to pay the other half of the lights. And that particular amount was $147.82. We also did do the vehicle insurance. That's for all 3 of our vehicles. And that particular bill is going to be coming out. It's due today, so it'll probably come out tomorrow. But that amount is $415.68. Now, of that amount, Diavion is going to be giving $171. Okay, because that's how much her insurance is. Right then, we're going to pay our gas bill. That gas bill was due on the 29th. So we went ahead and paid that. It was $41.49. And then our cell phone bills, that bill was due on the 28th. And that bill was actually $295.86. Now, from that amount, Diavion gave half of it. So that was $147.93 from Diavion, okay? Now, I also paid again toward my Amex number 2 because, you know, it's Project Amex Pay Down, baby. But we only paid them $100, excuse me. And then my December Pandora bill, we went ahead and paid. Because I remember I told you we won't get paid until the 12th. So we got to pay those bills. And we have $6.48 for that. And then lastly, we did do the other half of our ADT equipment and services, okay? So that's my last and final payment for equipment. And then our month of December for services. Okay, so $124.78 was that total. So let's add that up. Yeah, this is a quick video. I'm actually hungry. It's actually like 8 p.m. So I'm about to get ready to go down there and eat. $790.02 plus $147.82. $415.68. $41.49. $295, $86, $100, $6.48, and then $124.78. And that's gonna give me, without my baby's money, that's gonna cost me $1,922.13 worth of bills. Okay, well, my baby is gonna give us. Remember, she's gonna give us $318, or has already given. $318.93. $171 for her insurance, and then $147.93 for her cell phone. So that means that my bills was actually $1,600 $3.28. I think I miscounted something, but whatever, it's fine. And then we're gonna subtract $1,900, and that's gonna give us $296 to work with, okay? Left over. But y'all know that I'm not gonna do that $296. I'm just gonna round it to $295, y'all. And yes, the little stuff has been a little, y'all, but it is what it is, girl. So $295. Now the only thing about it is I'm not getting doing lawn right now. I don't have to worry about lawn anymore until probably a couple months. But since we're moving into winter, and then we just got our thing done like right before Thanksgiving, so we shouldn't have to get our lawn cut again. So I'm not putting money to the side for that. We is gonna do our normal $110 for groceries. And then we're going to do our normal $80 for gas because we got to do it for 2 weeks. So we got $105 left. And the only thing that we're going to stuff this time is going to be Christmas. We're going to give Christmas $100. And then we'll give that $5 to my emergency fund because, baby, the emergency fund got to get something, girl. I don't give a damn what it, baby. It got to get something. Okay, I already couldn't do it last week. Low-key, I felt like giving myself $80 and putting $20 in my damn emergency fund. But it's okay. She getting $5 this time. Amen? So, let's quickly talk about the way that we're going to take the money. And I get the money because that's where I need to go. I need to go to the bank, y'all. I'm doing the cash stuffing, but I'm doing the amounts, but I haven't went to the bank yet. So, for the 110, we're going to do 2 50s, 110. For the 80, we'll do 4 20s. For the 5, we'll do 1 5. And then for the 100, we could do 2 50s, y'all. So that'll be 4 50s, 4 20s, 1 10, and 1 5. Okay, so 4 times 50 is what, 200? Yeah, 200. 4 times 20 is 80. 1 is 10, and then 1 is 5. Let's add that up. So 200 plus 80 plus 10 plus 5 is going to give us the 295 that we're stuffing, okay? Super duper easy peasy. Now, lastly, the last thing that we need to do, y'all, is to go ahead and make our little cute little sheet. Of course, your girl will fast forward that. And then I will be like literally right back, y'all. And then this video gonna be y'all, honey. I'm so proud of myself for doing these videos so fast and so like going ahead and doing them, like literally. Okay, so we're gonna fast forward this, babe. Okay, y'all, so we are back. Let's finish this out. Third part of December mortgage has been moved over. The other part of the light bill, which I already did on my last on my last video, paycheck number 3. Pay our vehicle insurance. The vehicle insurance did get paid for $415.68. Actually due today. She's probably gonna come out tomorrow. We did pay that gas bill. The gas bill was $41.49. We did pay our cell phone bill. That was $295.86. Okay, we did pay Amex again, but all of the rest of the bills that we did pay, Amex, Pandora, and our other part of the equipment bill, that amount all goes to the month of December toward those bills. Okay, so that is going to be it, and it is going to be all for our paycheck number 4. Super easy peasy quick video. I'm not mad at it. Let's go ahead and put everything back. And then we will be done with this video, y'all. So here is our little paycheck budget, of course. There you go. Then we're gonna put in all of our bills. And then right in front of it, we're gonna put our calendar. And then, of course, lastly, we're gonna put our cute little. Oh wait, no. Well, let's put our little scratch sheets here too. I'm actually missing one. And then we're gonna go back here to the 28th when we got paid, or actually 28th. I don't know why I put the 29th. It's the 28th actually. And then we'll just plop her right there, okay? So that is how that is going to be looking, okay? If you have made it to the end of this particular video, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Leave me a $sign if you made it to the end of the video. And I greatly appreciate it, okay? If you enjoyed the video, please make sure that you hit the like button for me. If you are new around here, not only hit the like if you enjoyed it, but also hit the subscribe button, okay? I would love to have you come and join the Budget Baes. And until next time, you guys, my life on a budget. Bye!